Hello guys, in this video we are going to see how to use a push button switch as a toggle switch. So here it is, push button switch, and if I press once, then it is turned on, another press, it is turned off. So it is working as toggle switch. So let's get started. For this we need D flip-flop IC CD4013, pin 14 it is VCC. With this pin we can provide from plus 3 volt to plus 16 volt. Here we will use plus 5 volt. Pin 7 it is ground pin. Pin number 3 it is clock pin, and we have to connect switch to this pin. And other pin of the switch will be connected to the VCC. Here we are using plus 5 volt. For debouncing we have to connect a ceramic capacitor. It can be 0.01 microfarad. This clock pin is one of the input of this IC, and input of any digital IC we have to connect pull down resistor. I already uploaded a video on this, link in the description below. So this is the input, it is clock pin. We have to connect pin 5 and pin 2. It is data pin or D, and it is Q bar, one of the output. The set and reset, these two pin will be connected to the ground, and from Q will take the output. With this pin you can directly connect an LED, and if you want to connect a large load, then you have to connect a relay. For the relay you have to connect an transistor. The collector is connected to the plus 5 volt, and with the emitter, here we have to connect the relay, and other pin of the relay will be connected to the ground. And parallel to this we have to connect a freewheeling diode BC548, and it is 5 volt relay. So this is it. For the practical I am not going to use this relay or this transistor. So I will connect an LED with this pin. So my breadboard connection will be, here is pin Q, and with this I will connect a 220 ohms resistor, and with this I will connect an LED, and the negative pin of the LED will be connected to the ground. So I will do this thing in practical. IC 4013, here it is push button switch. One pin of the switch is connected to plus 5 volt. Pin 14 of the IC is connected to the plus 5 volt, and pin 7 is connected to the ground. Pin 6 and 4, these both are connected to the ground. Pin 2 and 5 is connected together. Here it is capacitor, and this switch is connected to pin 3. Pin 1 is output. So with this I am connecting 220 ohms resistor. Positive pin of the LED is connected to the resistor, and negative is connected to the ground. As pin 3 is input, so we have to connect pull down resistor. Here it is 10 kilo ohms resistor. So this is it. Now we have to connect positive and negative rails. Connecting the power supply, here is positive, and here it is negative. Now it is off. One press on, another press off. So now the switch is working as toggle switch. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubt on this, then please let me know in the comment section. In the next video I'll show you another topic. Till then, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.